There's something about seeing the world from above that just hits different, doesn't it? The way the landscape unfolds, how everything looks so small, yet so grand. It's like opening a new door to photography, one that leads straight to the sky. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're diving into drone photography, how to elevate your shots, literally, and take your photos to new heights. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, I've got tips, tricks, and hopefully a bit of inspiration. But first, smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. Grab a drink and let's do this. So why drone photography? Well, it's simple. Drones give us a perspective that we just can't get from the ground. It's like adding a whole new tool to your creative arsenal. Suddenly, you're not just a photographer, you're more a bird, soaring through the sky, capturing the world in ways that just blow people's minds. Imagine showing someone a photo of a place that they've been to 1,000 times, but from a viewpoint that they've never seen. That is the magic. Now let's talk gear. Choosing the right drone is crucial because not all drones are created equal. Some are great for beginners, others for cinematic shots, and some are built like tanks for those extreme environments. But here's the thing, you don't need the most expensive drone on the market to capture incredible shots. It's about understanding what your drone can do and pushing it to its limits. For me, something like the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a solid choice. It's lightweight, easy to fly, and the camera quality is insane for its size. But if you're looking to step it up a notch, the Mavic 3 or the Air 3 offer more features, better sensors, and enhanced stability, especially in windy conditions. But no matter what drone you have, it's all about knowing your settings. ISO, shutter speed, white balance, these are just as important in the sky as they are on the ground. Now, dialing these in will make the difference between a good shot and a great one. All right, so you have your drone and you're pumped to get it out there, but hold up. Before you hit that takeoff button, there's some planning involved first. Scout your locations beforehand. Google Earth is great for this, letting you preview the location before leaving the house. Also check the wind and weather conditions. Then there are also apps like AirAware that help you figure out if you can legally fly in the location that you've chosen. Because nothing kills a creative vibe like getting into trouble because you flew somewhere that you shouldn't have. Now, with all that out of the way, once your drone is in the air, think about movement. Drones give you the ability to add motion to your shots in ways that a tripod just never could. Also experiment with angles. Sometimes the best shot isn't the obvious one. Try flying lower than you'd think or tilting the camera straight down for that perfect top-down shot. Drone photography is one of those things that once you start, you can't stop. It's addictive, but in the best possible way. The world just looks different from up there, and it's incredible to be able to share that perspective with others. Which actually brings me to this. If your intent is to share those videos or photos, you need to know the rules and the laws that surround it. In order to fly a drone, you don't need any sort of a license. However, if your intent is to ever share, distribute, sell, publish, or anything other than your own personal enjoyment, you'll need to hold a Part 107 certificate. Now, I'm not gonna dive into that one too deep because that's just too much for one video. Anyway, when it comes to adding drone photography to your toolkit, hands down, it's an excellent tool to use. It really does add so much to your photography and increases your skills. So if you got something from this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, for photo prints, drone photos, and my brand new released Lightroom preset pack that contains 13 presets that I personally use every day. It's only $10 and it helps me out to keep the channel growing. Until next time, get out there and shoot. And I will see each and every one of you in the next video.